everyone, it's Beth here from Winning Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the Celebrate Today magnet board kit new from Stampin' Up. That was the back of the board. It's just like a photo frame, but it has a magnetic insert. This is the instruction sheet that will come with it, and these are the beautiful papers that you can use as a background. So that's your pink, white to white ombre, and on the other side is a grey and darker grey check, which is what I'll be using today. The other sheet you get is black background with tiny white spots, which can be very vivid background, and also on the back side of that is the green. I'm going to use the grey checked sheet today. My kitchen is a white with black trim, so I think this would look nice blue tacked onto the tiles. I'm not going to drill holes or anything, but I'm just going to blue tack. It does come with a hook on the back, so you can hang it wherever you like. These are the sheets that you get with it, the little cards. They have sentiments, they have flowers and butterflies, and they're really beautiful, all self-adhesive, ready for you just to stick on where you want and to decorate it to your heart's desire. So they come in English, French, Dutch and German, I believe. I'm going to use English. You can keep any leftovers to do any cards up or any projects. In the kit you'll also see these two little shirt-shaped little pieces of paper which look really cute, but they're all scored, cut and scored to make our little sleeves. So there's two of these. I'm going to use the grey colours on the background and then decorate them with this self-adhesive stick-on flowers. So I'll want the green facing up if I want to use the darker colours on the back. These are the magnetic clips. They have one magnet on one side, so you can just no gluing of these, you can just clip them onto your board and they'll stay safe. Also, the kit comes with your self-adhesive tear and tape glue. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. You could use your own if you have some, or liquid glue, whichever you prefer. So I actually practiced a little bit first to see how this worked, and that's how it's going to go together. So what I will do now is just make sure that I know what I'm doing with my folds before I place down any adhesive, which is always a good idea. Just, it doesn't hurt to double check. So I'm just, I would use my tool to get that, but I've got some nails at the moment, so I was hoping that would work. So this, just press firmly down on this tape to make sure it gets a good adhesion to the paper, and just snip, or you can just tear it. You're not going to see it. I did take the backing off on this side. You might be worth, if you like, to keep it on until you're absolutely sure. So that was one little mistake I made, but it didn't affect the outcome at all. So there's the other side, and I'm just going to put a little bit more of the tear and tape down the same side. So as I said before, you could actually do this in reverse, and you could use the green as the outside to give your project the green tones, and on the other one it would be the pink, and I think the pink is Flirty Flamingo. I'm not quite sure, but I will check, and I will put all the colors and everything on the screen or in the comments down the bottom. So here I am just checking that I've got the folds correct and that I'm folding it in, out, so it goes like I'm a concertina, and then fold it over and then just adhere the flap down, just like that. What I did do, I thought, oh, I just wanted to double check again, so I folded it all the way in, and then so that it was all folded properly in the correct position, and then I actually put the top flap down. It's up to you. I just, being the first time, I just wanted to be a little bit extra careful. So just give it a good press, and presto, hey presto, there's your little pocket, and that will go nicely hung. So I've done the same again with the other one. I'm speeding the film up there so you don't get bored seeing the same thing, but as you see, I did that, and there's the pretty pink. That would look lovely as well. Totally up to you. It's nice to have an option. Stampin' Up have done that, and everything in this kit is coordinated. So There we go, and just put it there together. So there we have our two pockets. So now the fun starts. We can decorate our pockets. So I had a bit of trouble deciding what I wanted to do, so many choices. So I just went with a flower on the checkered one, and you'll see that this is very similar to the instruction book because I just couldn't make up my mind. But because I was probably doing the video, and I thought, well, what am I going to do? So I did follow the instructions a little bit, and you'll see I'm hesitating a bit because I stuck down the flower, and I thought, oh, maybe I should have put that stem underneath. But it really didn't matter. When I looked at it at the end, it just needed to be just touching the flower. So anyway, I decided to put it onto the floral one, and I added a single leaf to there. So and I just went ahead and I decorated it the way I wanted to, and decorating is totally up to you. So there's no right and wrong, so have fun. I'm going to speed the film up for you to see how I decorated it. So here I am decorating and just putting some of the little cards that come with it. But I decided that I wanted to do a little bit in the background. So I've just come up with some little pieces and affirmations that actually on the backing sheet, and some cards and that. So this is totally up to you. They're the little magnet board, bulldog clips that attach to the backing of the magnet board. I did decide, as you can see, to put a little bit of a border, just a section of it on one side. And when you're happy with it, you can put it all together. So if you've ever had a photo frame, you'll notice the back, the little metal tabs. Just open them up, take the magnet board off, then you just put the backing sheet on the magnet board and put back in the frame, just as you would a normal photo frame, and then add your magnets to it. So that's how you do the Celebrate Today. Here's a picture of my board. So here's my magnet board hanging up in my kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to hearing from you, and all the details on this product will be available on my website, and I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, this is Beth. Bye.